Unleash your potential. The ultimate fishing gadgets revealed. Picture this. You're standing at the water's edge, the early morning mist rising as you prepare to cast your line. But this time, you're armed not just with a rod and bait, but with a suite of ingenious gadgets that promise to transform your fishing experience like never before. Join us as we uncover the innovations pushing the boundaries of angling. Whether you're chasing the thrill of the catch or simply seeking to connect with nature in new ways, these gadgets are here to make your next fishing trip unforgettable. Get ready to reel in excitement and discover the future of fishing, one gadget at a time. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Go Fish Cam. The Go Fish Cam is a revolutionary underwater fishing camera designed to capture the action beneath the surface. It attaches to your fishing line and provides real-time footage of fish strikes, bait behavior, and underwater terrain. This gadget allows anglers to gain insights into fish behavior and habitat, improving their strategy and increasing their chances of a successful catch. The camera is compact, durable, and waterproof, making it suitable for various fishing conditions, from freshwater lakes to deep-sea adventures. Number 2. Riptton Catch X Pro. The Riptton Catch X Pro is an advanced fishing reel known for its precision and durability. Designed with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology, this reel offers smooth casting and retrieval, crucial for landing elusive catches. It features adjustable drag settings, ergonomic grips, and a lightweight design that reduces fatigue during long fishing sessions. The Riptton Catch X Pro is favored by professional anglers for its reliability and performance, making it a must-have for serious fishing enthusiasts. Number 3. Agua Drone. The Agua Drone is a specialized fishing drone equipped with features tailored for anglers. It boasts extended flight time, GPS navigation, and a payload release system that allows it to drop bait accurately over fishing spots. This drone provides aerial scouting capabilities, enabling anglers to identify schools of fish, monitor water conditions, and locate optimal fishing grounds. It enhances efficiency by eliminating the need for traditional casting methods and offering a bird's-eye view of the fishing area. The Agua Drone is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and delivers exceptional performance for anglers looking to leverage aerial technology for fishing success. Number 4. Crapple Coffin. The Crapple Coffin is a specialized tackle box designed for crappie fishing enthusiasts. It features multiple compartments and adjustable dividers to organize jigs, hooks, and other tackle essentials effectively. The coffin-shaped design ensures easy access to tackle while on the water, allowing anglers to quickly switch baits and adapt to changing fishing conditions. The Crapple Coffin is lightweight, portable, and durable, making it an essential companion for crappie anglers who prioritize organization and convenience in their fishing gear. Number 5. Ringer's Slammo Style Disgorger. The Ringer's Slammo Style Disgorger is a handy tool designed to safely and efficiently remove hooks from fish without harming them. It features a sleek, ergonomic design with a non-slip grip for comfortable handling. Anglers can use the disgorger to quickly and effectively release fish, reducing stress and injury to the catch. This tool is essential for catch and release fishing practices, promoting sustainable fishing practices while ensuring the well-being of fish populations. The Ringer's Slammo Style Disgorger is lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, making it a practical addition to any angler's tackle box. Number 6. Dipstick. The dipstick is a portable water quality tester designed to monitor key parameters such as pH levels, temperature, and dissolved oxygen in fishing environments. It provides real-time data that helps anglers assess water conditions and understand how they impact fish behavior. The dipstick is compact and user-friendly, allowing anglers to perform on-the-spot water quality assessments without the need for extensive equipment. By monitoring water parameters, anglers can make informed decisions about bait selection, fishing locations, and optimal fishing times, enhancing their chances of a successful outing. Number 7. Predator 54. The Predator 54 is a high-performance fishing kayak known for its stability, maneuverability, and durability. It features a streamlined design with ample storage space for tackle, rods, and other fishing gear. The kayak is equipped with advanced tracking systems, adjustable seating, and rod holders, making it ideal for both recreational fishing and competitive angling. The Predator 54 is designed to navigate various water conditions, from calm lakes to fast-flowing rivers, offering anglers versatility and comfort during extended fishing trips. Its rugged construction and ergonomic features make it a popular choice among fishing enthusiasts seeking a reliable and capable kayak for their adventures. Number 8. FOX MICRON BITE ALARMS. FOX MICRON BITE ALARMS are electronic devices designed to alert anglers to fish strikes and bites. These alarms feature adjustable sensitivity settings and customizable tone and volume controls to suit different fishing preferences. They can be attached to fishing rods and provide audible and visual cues when a fish takes the bait, allowing anglers to respond promptly. FOX MICRON BITE alarms are equipped with advanced technology that minimizes false alarms caused by wind or water movement, ensuring accurate detection of fish activity. They enhance fishing efficiency by allowing anglers to monitor multiple rods simultaneously and increase their chances of catching fish, especially during nighttime or when fishing in challenging conditions. Number 9. Deeper Smart Sonar. The Deeper Smart Sonar is a portable fish finder that pairs with your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. It allows anglers to scan underwater structures, locate fish, and view detailed sonar data in real time. The Deeper Smart Sonar is castable and can be used from shore, docks, or kayaks, providing flexibility in fishing locations. It offers depth mapping, fish activity tracking, and weather conditions integration, helping anglers make informed decisions about where and how to fish. Number 10. PowerVision PowerRay. Underwater Drone. The PowerVision PowerRay is an underwater drone designed for fishing and underwater exploration. It features a 4K camera, integrated fish finder, and bait drop mechanism. Anglers can control the PowerRay remotely via a smartphone or tablet to explore underwater environments, locate fish, and deploy bait precisely. This drone enhances fishing efficiency by providing visual insights into underwater terrain and fish behavior, making it a valuable tool for both recreational and professional anglers. Number 11. Line Cutterz Ring. The Line Cutterz Ring is a wearable tool designed for quick and easy line cutting. It features a sleek adjustable ring with a built-in fishing line cutter that cuts monofilament, fluorocarbon, and braided lines effortlessly. Anglers can wear the Line Cutterz Ring on their finger or mount it to fishing rods, tackle boxes, or clothing for convenient access. This gadget eliminates the need for scissors or knives, making it ideal for cutting lines quickly and safely while fishing. Number 12. Fish Call Electronic Fish Attractor. The Fish Call Electronic Fish Attractor is a unique gadget that mimics the sounds and vibrations of feeding fish to attract nearby fish. It emits underwater sounds and vibrations that mimic bait fish activity, triggering predatory fish to investigate and strike. The Fish Call is portable, battery-operated, and can be used in both freshwater and saltwater fishing environments. It enhances fishing success by attracting fish to the angler's location, increasing the chances of catching target species. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring these awesome fishing gadgets with us today. Which one caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on fishing tips, gear reviews, and more. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.